Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 757. The translator had translated these resources into the global space and no further translation should be performed. Error translation complete on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of system error code, then here are the fixes. First workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator. A pop-up window will appear. Choose yes. Here in command prompt Windows, execute the command. These three DISM tool one by one. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three DISM tool one by one in command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each time. And once successfully execution of this three DISM tool, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again go to Windows search and type system configuration. Clean boot your system. Open system configuration. System configuration window will now open. Here from the top menu bar, go to the option services. Click on it and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner. And click on disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter again go to top menu bar and click on a startup option. And here click on the link open task manager. All startup apps enabled in your system will visible here. Look for any startup apps enabled in your system, find out, and if any found, simply right click on it and choose disable. Manually disable all your startup apps enabled in your system. Apply this process for all your other enabled startup apps and disable it manually. Thereafter close the task manager windows and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system and here go to programs and features. Here all your programs and software will available here. Look for any recently installed apps and feature. After that problem is arises, so select it and choose uninstall and reinstall a fresh version of that problematic app and features. Close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command rstrui and click on OK. This command will open restore system files and settings page. System restore can help fix problems. So click on next and on the next page choose a restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. You can either choose automatic restore point or make the check against option so more restore point and choose other restore point. If you feel after Windows update problem arises, so choose Windows update, otherwise automatic restart and click on next. And finally confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored. Choose finish and follow on screen instruction to complete the restoration process. Hopefully after restoring your problem will be resolved.